Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Nkr Price Prediction and Nkr news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Nkr in 2022. Ankr is an Ethereum token powered by the Ankr WEB3 infrastructure platform, which serves as a decentralized financial platform for cross-chain staking. It is designed to make working in the blockchain ecosystem simple and affordable. In it, you can create decentralized applications, run nodes and participate in staking. The Ankr token is used to pay for services on the Ankr platform, such as API services and node deployment, and also acts as insurance for network members, and allows participation in blockchain governance. The Ankr network was founded in 2017 at the University of California at Berkeley as a distributed computing platform that takes advantage of blockchain technology. Co-founder Chandler Song was an engineer at Amazon Web Services and is now CEO of Ankr, while co-founder Ryan Fang was an investment banker at Morgan Stanley. In this video I told you top cryptocurrency prices today. Bitcoin, Terra, Shiba Inu, Cardano rise up to 4%. Digital currency markets continued to rise on Wednesday as investors saw opportunity for cryptos amid the global worries. Europe and the US have banned certain Russian banks from the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, SWIFT, the messaging network supporting global financial transactions. Barring Avalanche and Cardano, which dropped 2% each, all of the top digital tokens were trading higher on Wednesday. Terra and BNB rose 4% each. Follow. The global cryptocurrency market cap today scaled to $1.93 trillion mark, rising about 2% in the last 24 hours. Total cryptocurrency trading volume slipped about 4% to $105.35 billion. What's cooking in India? Nearly 20% of Indian ultra-high net worth individuals, UNWIS, by ties rose to United States $3.4 billion in January this year, up from just United States $286 million 2 years earlier. At the same time, the number of accounts actively trading crypto in the country has risen from 170,000 before the pandemic to 1.98 million as of January. 4 qualities of digital dollar: crypto mortgages, Polkadot's fund, Solana ETP, more news investments, News Manta Network, Akala, and 7 other Polkadot, DOT, Parachain, other chains attached to Polkadot's main chain. Team said they have partnered to launch a United States $250 million OST ecosystem fund to support early-stage startups building applications with strong stablecoin use cases on any Polkadot or Kusama parachain. The fund participants are seeking solidity or substrate-based applications driving yield or utility for OS, including money markets, DEXs, derivatives, asset management, DAOs, payments, and other use cases, they added. Digital asset investment firm CoinShares and crypto exchange FTX announced a partnership to launch a physically backed Solana, SOL, exchange-traded product, ETP, which will launch with SOL 1 meter, United States $95 million, and seed capital. This financial firm Ankr will allow customers to use this app to invest up to 5% of their portfolio in Bitcoin, BTC, via an exchange-traded fund, ETF, per Reuters. The firm will determine what percentage of a customer's portfolio can be put in Bitcoin based on their investment profile, and the percentage ranges from a conservative 1% exposure to an aggressive 5% exposure, they added. The new crypto venture fund called DAO5 raised United States $125 million, with plans to convert to a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, by 2025, per Forbes. The average investment will fall between United States $500,000 and United States $2 million, and will go to seed and pre-seed stage companies and projects within the crypto and blockchain industry, per the report. Canadian financial technology company Mogo announced the formation of Mogo Ventures to manage its existing investments and strategic partners and companies that support Mogo's ecosystem. This includes a 39% stake in crypto exchange CoinSquare, investments in major and emerging crypto and WEB3 platforms including Gemini, NFT Trader, and Tetra Trust, investments in Bitcoin and Ethereum, ETH, and investments in gaming companies including Enthusiast Gaming and 11 Gaming. Crunch will leaving the crypto space entirely. However, concerns arose about the fate of roughly 25 decentralized applications, dApps, and services they have been operating up to now. Among the affected apps and services are Yearn.fi, KEP3R Network, Multichain.xyz, Chainless.org, Bribe.crv.finance, and the new Solidly.exchange. DeFi architect, Phantom Foundation technical advisor, and Yearn.finance founder Andre Cronch has left the decentralized finance, DeFi, space reeling after deactivating his Twitter account. Cronch's longtime colleague at the Phantom Foundation Anton L. stated in a Sunday tweet that both he and Cronch will leaving the crypto space entirely. However, concerns arose about the fate of the roughly 25 decentralized applications, dApps, and services they have been operating up to now. Among the affected apps and services are Yearn.fi, KEP3R Network, Multichain.xyz, Chainless.org, Bribe.crv.finance, and the new Solidly.exchange. The community's reaction to Nell's announcement has been generally sympathetic, as many understand that the duo likely needed a mental break from the immense rigors of their work. Other disgruntled investors have not been so kind with their words as token prices and TVL tanks. Phantom CEO Michael Kong clarified the consequences of Cronch's and Nell's stepping down. Although Cronch was instrumental in founding many projects, Kong said in a Monday tweet that these projects are not closing down development. Some of them have been running independently for years. The lead developer at Yearn.finance, Bantig, also chimed in to assure users and investors that Andre's leaving was of little consequence to the day-to-day operation of the DeFi yield aggregator. The price of Yearn, EFI, and Phantom, FTM, crashed immediately following Nell's tweet. EFI is currently down about 10% to $18,187, while Nkr Price Prediction 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Ankr will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2026, Nkr is expected to peak at 42 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 35 cents if the market turns bullish. Ankr Course Prediction 2027. Nkrs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Ankr, the price could rise much higher. By 2027, it may reach a maximum value of 60 cents. Nkr is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2027 could end with an average price of 52 cents, a minimum price of 51 cents, and a maximum price of 60 cents. Nkr Rate Prediction 2028. Ankr will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Ankr rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the Ankr rate will be almost 73 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 88 cents. Ankr average price forecast for the end of 2028 could be around 75 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Nkr Price Prediction 2029. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term Nkr price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2029 could end with an average bid of $1.11 and a minimum bid of $1.08. The maximum bet is expected to be around $1.27. Ankr Price Prediction 2030. The value of Ankr will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2030 is bullish. Ankr is expected to reach a maximum rate of $1.86 by the end of 2030, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Ankr's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Ankr will be between $1.62 and $1.67 expected in 2030 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Ankr ranges from $1.62 to $1.86 for 2030. Ankr Price Forecast 2031. For a long-term forecast of the Nkr price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Nkr price will rise to around $2.43 by 2031 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2031, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.78 with a minimum price level $2.36.